Hey, I'm over here with Kane Norton, owner of Walker Landscape, and he got some news on the street that you probably could use.
Hey, good morning, guys and gals. Listen, $5 a square foot for residential to remove the grass, unheard of. The $5 is going away at the end of the year. It'll go back to $3. I don't know if we'll ever see $5 again, but if you have grass, you're tired of dealing with it, first thing is keep it green until the water district sees it. Call them, get them out, get there okay, then you can start backing off the water. Give us a call, we can come out for a free estimate, but the $5 is unheard of. In most cases, it pays for 85 to 100% of the project. So
Yeah.
you get a new yard for
$5 a square foot is a lot, right?
$5 is a lot.
And the rules is you do need turf currently to be removed,
It needs
right?
to be maintained. It needs to be maintainable, so it needs to be green. Don't kill it before the water district comes out. But you have a year from when the time they come out, so you're not obligated. Get them out as soon as possible.
But you got to do the inspection, I would say, before November, right?
Yeah, we have to be finished with the project before at the end of November. That gives a month for the post inspection because they're going to be slammed. That'll give them plenty of time.
Damn, that's a lot. That's a huge credit.
It is. It really is.
Because turf is what is it, like $7 a square foot? Something like that?
$7 to $8, depending on what we're taking out.
So if you're doing turf, it pretty much almost pays for the entire job. Well,
Almost
70% of it.
Absolutely, but you know, we could look at it and give some options. Smaller areas of turf, do some nice. People don't like to hear rocks, but nice decorative rocks with some plants, trees. I mean, we really could do it nice, and in most cases, 9 times out of 10, I redo the whole irrigation in the whole yard. So essentially, you get a new irrigation system as well as new landscaping for a few $100.
Dang, I wish I had turf. Thanks for the scoop.
All right,
man.
thank you, Randy.
All right, that's the word on the street.